Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Nima was created to reimagine the way people manage food allergies both in and out of the home. My daughter Kate suffers from food allergies and sensitivities. We tried to limit her risks. We read labels, researched brands, even asked endless questions to restaurant staff. But even when following every precaution, there were still lingering uncertainties, especially when Kate went to birthday parties, when we traveled, or in any situation that I couldn't control. Most existing tests are lab kits, which means they have multiple parts and take precious time to receive a result. There was nothing on the consumer market that could bring real-time peace of mind, until Nima. Developed by MIT graduates, Nima can detect allergens at parts per million level. Parts per million, or ppm, is a term used to describe an extremely small amount of something. Imagine this ink is an allergen. Place a few drops into the water and it dissipates. The eye can't see it, but Nima can. Simply fill a disposable capsule with a small sample of food, then screw the lid shut. Nima grinds the food and mixes it with the chemistry inside. Then the proprietary antibodies seek out and attach to a target protein, like that in gluten or peanut. Nima's test strip develops, and in only a few minutes, your answer is clearly displayed on the front screen. It's an added piece of information when and where you need it most. The result is also communicated to the Nima app using Bluetooth technology, so you can track your test history and share with the community. Nima's team has dedicated their lives to making the food world transparent and safe. So if you want to be sure that pasta salad is actually allergen-free, just as you ordered, let Nima take the first bite. Visit nimasensor.com to learn more.
Could installing a security system to your home, office, or business really be as easy as screwing in a light bulb? The innovators at TOVNET decided it should be. With years of development and design, they've created the TOVNET light bulb security camera, which can be installed in any light outlet to immediately begin recording your premises. The light bulb security camera has a 120 viewing angle that can be adjusted 360 degrees and is motion activated day or night. The camera is equipped with a backup data storage system in an SD card, and the data can also be downloaded via Wi-Fi to smartphones or computers. A dedicated app allows you to check your cameras throughout the day. Not only does the camera record video, but there's a two-way audio element that can both record noise and project it into the area remotely. The light bulb security camera can even send you an email alert when motion has been detected. By using a compression video technology, you don't have to worry about running out of space for your security recordings. So how does it work? The unit is all-in-one and requires no extra installations beyond placing the TOVNET light bulb security camera in a compatible light socket. Once installed, it's simple to get it working with your smartphone app or custom remote control to have the security of your home, office, or business at your fingertips. Order one today.
Introducing a revolutionary sleep tracker that does so much more than monitor. The 8 Smart Mattress Cover, the first of its kind. Fits seamlessly onto your bed. No need to wear it or remember to charge it. 8 listens, records over 15 factors of sleep data from deep sleep and heart rate to room temperature and noise, and 8 responds. It sets a smart alarm to wake you lightly. Warms each side of your bed individually, and naturally integrates with your lifestyle, including Nest and other smart home platforms. 8 makes sleep smarter. Our science applied to your life to show how your nights impact your days, to make both work better for your best life. Eight, changing sleep forever and for better.
Search for the free MasterLock Vault eLocks app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Download, install, and open the app. Now create a new MasterLock Vault account, or log into an existing account if you're already a MasterLock Vault user. Once you're logged in, scroll through the introduction screens. Select Add a Lock and enter your lock's activation code when prompted. And then touch Continue. Your new lock will now show up in your lock list.